Hello and welcome back. In our last video, I showed you how to find an item to list on eBay. Well, today I want to show you how to list an item using the automatic lister, eBay lister inside INFINii. So let's get started. As you can see, we're inside the eBay lister inside INFINii. I went ahead and created a title, which inside with the training in the software you will learn how to do. Next thing you want to do is you want to take your keyword, you want to copy it, you want to paste it down here so you can find a category that you're going to put it in. So we click on show and it pops up something. So generally you can pick any one of these you want. Usually I like to take the first one. Then if you have an eBay store, you want to go down here and you want to go ahead and put it in here because all your categories should be all listed for your eBay store. So let's go ahead and find that. Right here. So we got that in there. Next, payment. The list price for our item we're going to get is $129.98. INFINii, the lister, takes into consideration PayPal, eBay fees. It also gives you a profit goal. It also does the sales tax for you. So this is the price that they're saying that you should at least list it for so you can break even. But we like to make sure we don't want to break even, we want to make a little money. So what we're going to do is we're going to bump this up to 10%. Because in the beginning with Prime, generally that's what you need to do, 10%, just so you can get going. Shipping, you want to create one of your shipping policy. I have created one down here that's a short one. We'll use that. Product information, we generally like to use 30 days. Some people like to use good till cancel. Then you need to get your UPC, which you will learn where to get these UPCs when you go through the training. With our description, what we need to do is you can see all this information right here and up here. What we're going to do is we're going to go down here because all of this is redundant. It's all basically the same, telling you the same thing over and over again. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to go up. We're going to copy all of this. Copy this, and we'll put it down here. We'll go back up here and we'll delete all this. Then what you need to do is we'll go up here. We'll grab our title. And we'll place it in here. And usually the format for the header size we like to use the second one down. And as you can see, we need some text down here so people can read a little bit about it. So we'll go back to Walmart. We'll click on Read More. to copy all this. Take it back over, paste it in. And now we need to start separating this because we need to make this mobile friendly so people can look at it on their cell phones or tablets. And in the training, you'll learn how to do all this as well. It teaches you about SEO. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up a little bit. We're going to get rid of this. Let's see. Experience. See all this information right here? It's all right here. We don't need that. Back this up to here. Okay. And then generally what I like to do is I like to go back up to the top and I'll grab my keyword. And you want to make this as friendly as possible. You want to use your keyword as much as you can. Copy. And we'll add this in here. And then some of these you need to just go ahead and bold this one. This one here you can put an underline underneath. Like I said, all this stuff you will learn inside the software. It's all in the training. Okay, now this is mobile friendly. Got this is taken care of. Here's our short shipping policy. And you always have pictures. And you generally, with these pictures, what you want to do is you want to, as you can see down here, I have added already the keywords. And you want to have something underneath your pictures because the search engine and eBay likes to see this. It helps you get better results. I went ahead and did that. That you will also learn inside the software, inside INFINii, when you go through your Prime training. After you've got all that taken care of, you can go back up to the top. Sure everything's done. And you have variation. And you go ahead and fill out all this information here that you can. And color is black. Material, cast iron. The more information you can add here, the better. So next, and when you become a member in Surge, you will be able to do follow-ups with, and then there's also an automatic auto lister that as soon as your item, if your item doesn't sell within 30 days, it will the system automatically relist the item, so you're not having to go back and relist items over and over and over again. But when you have something go that doesn't sell for 30 days, you need to look at it, readjust your wording or drop your price, and try it again. So then we want to preview. Everything looks okay. And then we just click submit. And you should be done. There we go. If you want to take a look at your item on eBay, you just click this URL right here. And it shows your listing right here. You're all set.